Oh, what's up, everybody? Oh, you keep going, all of you keep going. Sit down. Hello, it is I, Judeypoo, Food Reviews. Well, it is a very special holiday. A day very close to my heart that I really enjoy. It's Mardi Gras, everybody. One of the unique holidays only some get the privilege of having. And I had that privilege. Today, we're going to be reviewing a Mardi Gras specific dessert. A king cake. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Now, if some of you don't know, the origin of the king cake was that French people brought it here one time and they were like, that's really good, and we made it, and it hit. So, let's dive right in. Now, I got this king cake from, what is this? We got the baby. Well, you know what that means? It's good luck for the rest of the year. And I'm not buying a new one. Anywho, I got this one from Dong Phong, the Vietnamese part of the king cake making industry. Without further ado, let's dive right into this. Stop. Wow. What a king cake. I have to say, my beautiful viewers, this king cake was very well made. The crust, the bread, was very unique, and you could really differentiate it from the icing. Not a lot of king cakes can do it the way they do it. And the icing is so distinguished and flavorful, and it's just silky and milky and beautiful. I am a fan of king cake, I have to admit it. I'm a big king cake guy. Not a lot of people out there are king cake guys, by the way. I'm one of them, and maybe you can be one too. Well, this was a Judeypoo Food Reviews, and my rating of this king cake, 8.57 to the third power out of 10. Yep. Oh, it's too kind, everybody. It's too kind. Stop. Well, this has been a Judeypoo Food Reviews. And in God's name, we're signing off. Stay cool, cats.